Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. And today I have a Young Living haul and it's really tiny, so I thought I would talk more about the products than I normally do. So the first thing that I always get every month is the Mighty Zymes for my kids. This is a pre and probiotic and it tastes very yummy. As you can see in the picture, you can just pour it into your mouth. You can also add it to food. This is sweetened with xylitol and erythritol, so there's no added like regular sugar or nasty sugars. Xylitol and erythritol are more natural, and so they're not bad for you, like aspartame and things like that. The Mighty Pro blend has 7 different probiotics and it has 8 billion active live cultures in it. It is formulated with the wolfberry, which is a prebiotic. Prebiotics feed the probiotics, so you can take the supplement on an empty stomach, which is really nice. I usually give it to my kids after dinner because I've heard it's great to take the probiotic at night. So they sit in your stomach all night long anyway, or in your gut all night long. You don't have to refrigerate them because they are individually wrapped. And we are planning on bringing this on our road trip, and I will be taking it as well. So it's not just for kids. The next thing that I get for my kids almost every single month is Mighty Zymes. So the Mighty Zymes are a digestive enzyme that supports healthy digestion, and it also has a natural sugar, sorbitol, so it doesn't taste nasty. This is a chewable tablet. It has some essential oils in here. Let's see, it has peppermint essential oil in here. So it tastes a little bit pepperminty, but not too pepperminty. When my kids first started taking this, they called it the yucky vitamin because they did not like the taste, but now they don't mind at all. It has a blend of different enzymes such as amylase, lipase, phytase, protease, peptidase. It is easy to take one of these. The serving size is 1 tablet and there's 90 tablets in here, which means if you have one kid and they take it for every meal, like 3 meals a day, that's one way to take it. I have 3 kids, so I have them take it just with dinner, and this bottle lasts my 3 kids a whole month, which is really nice. So that's how we use it. The next thing that I got is the Thieves Laundry Soap. The Thieves Laundry Soap has the Thieves blend in it. It has a lovely fresh citrus scent. It is ultra concentrated. This little bottle lasts me, I'm trying to remember, like 4 to 6 months, somewhere around there. It lasts me a long time. Now I've noticed when other people are doing laundry, they fill this cap up all the way, which it doesn't need to be. I fill it up basically to here, like, you know, that way. It has all plant-based ingredients. It's free from SLS, dyes, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfume, and optical brighteners. So if you are looking for a brightener, I would suggest adding some more lemon essential oil, or you can look up recipes online to make a stain stick with lemon essential oil and hydrogen peroxide, I believe. I haven't tried it myself, but other people say it's great. I am not really amazing at doing laundry. I mean, I love doing laundry, but it's more like I love folding and putting away clean clothes. I just use this in my laundry and I don't use anything else. If I have stinky rags, I will add some tea tree oil to the load. I will often add vinegar to my towels so they smell fresher. But otherwise, I don't do anything else fancy. I don't pre-treat stains. I just don't have time for that. My kids, like, basically their clothes become dingy and stained all over and they rip them and I throw them away or use them for rags. I'm not into keeping our clothes super pristine because we don't have expensive clothes most of the time. I love this detergent. It works just as well as other detergents I used to use from the grocery store. I've always tried to use a little bit more natural, but this works even better than other chemical ones that have no fragrance. The directions on the bottle says to use half a cap for conventional washers and a quarter cap for high efficiency washers. So that's why I only use a quarter cap, because I have a high efficiency washer. Last thing is an oil I got for free. This one is called Envision. Envision oil is a blend. This oil has black spruce, geranium, orange, lavender, and sage. Oh, and rose oil. That sounds really good. Now, I've heard that this helps when you're like setting goals and just getting you to be really focused and helping you vision things. I'm not sure exactly like when I'm going to diffuse this oil or put it on, but some people use it when they sit down to plan their day or their week. I think it's really neat getting a free oil each month, because I get about 100 PV my order, and so I get a free oil each month. And I really like getting that oil because I get to try oils that I would normally not buy, normally not be that into like Envision, but after reading what's in it, it sounds amazing. It smells good too. Oh wow. It smells, you can smell like the spruce. So it smells kind of like a pine. It smells like outdoors, seriously, because it's floral plus the spruce. It's just really good. I'm excited to use this oil and to try it out and see what I've noticed with it. I love some of the other emotional support oils, such as Joy. I've noticed that it's really helped me to be more joyful. And I've noticed that like abundance has really helped promote the feelings of abundance. So I think Envision would be nice, especially as I'm planning the rest of my summer and my fall out. I hope you enjoyed this haul. This Young Living order was actually from July, but you'll be seeing this in August. So Envision was the free month for the month of July. I'm hoping to put more of these videos up. I know I was kind of like missing in action for a while, and then I started putting up some old videos that I shot a few months ago. Anyway, I'm hoping that will be more into real time and you will see these Young Living orders like right off the bat. Let me know what you think about them, and I'm also going to be posting them on Instagram as I get them as Instagram stories. So if you are interested in seeing my orders as soon as they arrive, then I suggest you go over and follow me on Instagram. My link is down below. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for more. Thanks. Bye.